Yep. All right.
Talk to me.
Talk to me, Goose. Here we go. Ready to go?
Go, Goose.
Here we go.
Go. All good.
All good. Full power. Build up speed.
Flight mode 1.
Full power still. Coming back on power.
Half power?
Yeah.
Need anything?
One click up. Good. That's it. And stay up high.
Up high.
Wide turns. It's hands off.
Hands off?
Yep.
Climbing, no?
No, I had it at a...
Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay, let's do half flaps on the next upwind pass.
Okay.
It's half power. Okay, slowing down a little bit. Half flaps.
Takeoff mode half flaps.
What do you need?
2 clicks down. One more. Done deal.
Flight mode 1.
Back to normal flight.
Was good?
Yep. Gonna come next pass with full flaps.
Okay.
Feels good. Half flaps.
Takeoff mode half flaps.
Full
Full
flaps.
flaps 0.
Down
miles.
trim.
Fuel level
3 loud. Yeah, keep going, keep going.
83%.
2 more.
0.
That's
miles
it.
per hour.
Done.
Done?
Yeah, feels good. On power.
On power. Clean up.
Yep. Do you want to check pressure? Landing
Fuel
gear?
level 82%.
87.
Okay.
Unholding.
So we're good.
Perfect.
Okay.
3 minutes.
Gonna do a show pass.
Show pass.
Everything feels good. Trimmed.
Trim good?
Yep. Perfect.
50% throttle?
Yeah.
Good.
Stay medium height. On power. The rates feel good too.
Rates are good?
Yeah.
Fuel level 77%. Timer 2 minutes 24 seconds.
Bank?
Let's
Go
do.
too far.
Yeah. Feels good. CG feels good too.
CG is good?
Yeah. Hands off. All right, let's do a gear pass,
minutes.
full flaps. So
Too early to land.
I'm gonna try speed brake. Or let's do another lap.
Do another lap.
Okay.
You're a lot of fuel on board.
Timer 1 minute 48 seconds.
Fuel at 73%.
Fuel level 73%.
It flies in from half to 75% power. That's where it's comfortable at. Do a downwind pass.
Downwind pass?
Yeah.
Show pass downwind?
Yeah. Feels really good.
1 minute. Seconds.
All right, I'm gonna
A lot of fuel on board.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back into power. Let's get ready for
40
landing.
seconds.
Okay. But you have a lot of fuel, you're going to be heavy.
Fuel
Still?
level 65%.
Yeah, you're going to be good. By the time you do
30
trims,
seconds.
Yeah.
you'll be at good, yeah.
gonna do one pass with the speed brake so I can feel it.
Okay. Now good
20
straight down.
seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna go half flaps.
Takeoff mode, half flaps.
Gears down.
Gear down.
All three good.
All
10,
three good.
9, 8.
Full flaps.
0 miles per hour. 4, 3,
On power,
2,
on rudder.
0 miles per hour. 0 miles per hour. 0 miles per hour. 0 miles per hour.
I'm gonna try full speed brake on this pass.
0 miles
power.
per hour. 0 miles per hour.
Speed brake.
0 miles per hour.
Feels good. I'm gonna come in.
Okay. Landing.
0 miles per hour. 0 miles per hour.
Wind. Good wind.
Yeah.
0 miles
I'll
per
go
hour.
out. Gentle turn.
0
Gentle.
miles per hour. 0 miles per
On
hour.
power. On rudder.
0 miles per hour. 0 miles per hour.
Leveling up.
0
Perfect.
miles per hour.
Off power.
0 miles per hour.
Oh,
0 miles per hour.
brakes.
0 miles per hour.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So after 20 years.
Huh?
After 20 years.
After 20 years.
It's gorgeous, man.
0 miles per
Good? We're good?
Good, good.
Alright. Gyro.
This is, yeah.
Alright, here we go. Talk to me.
It's too heavy. That was it.